Are you a business owner looking to take full advantage of AI to grow your business, or even to start selling AI and automation solutions to small businesses? But instead of feeling confident, you're overwhelmed by the latest AI tool of the week. You're unsure which one really works and how to use them in the right way to actually generate more leads, increase sales, and automate your operations. Imagine this: instead of wasting time on tools that don't deliver, you're actually using AI to attract high quality leads with organic content, so you don't have to pour money in ads that don't work. Imagine automating your business so well that you're not just saving time, but actually scaling your revenue, and even selling AI solutions to other small businesses as an additional revenue stream. At Simple Tech Skills inside our AI community, we'll show you exactly how to do that. First, we'll show you how to master the right AI tools. Learn prompt engineering and AI automation through proven step-by-step courses. Next, you'll build systems that actually work. Create chatbots, content engines, and lead generation systems that actually deliver results. No coding required. And more importantly, you'll grow your network amongst AI experts. Join live office hours twice a week to troubleshoot, network with innovators, and stay ahead of the AI curve. And if you join our annual plan, you'll get a one-on-one call with me, Jonathan, as an AI expert who's helped over 700 entrepreneurs turn AI into a competitive advantage. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from our members, entrepreneurs who have all transformed their businesses with skills they learned here.
What's up, everyone? My name is Sandy, and this is my After 101 with John. And I'm just super stoked to get started with my own business. I've had a business before, but right now I am just a blank canvas and I'm focusing on my health journey. And right now, John is helping me set up all of the steps from step 1 to 100. I came in interested with automation, and I'm just excited to start. Definitely recommend John and his course and his community. Please join us and be part of the community.
I stumbled across you on YouTube, and I liked how you were just very transparent. It's very clear that the other gurus are gatekeepers. They just give you a little teaser, and then when you try and implement, you run into all these issues. So the first thing for me was that you were very transparent and open and gave really kind of full responses, and of course your personality. So those two things combined was why I basically don't miss a live. And then it was just a natural progression into the community. The courses are phenomenal that you have given. So much value in those. I've learned so much in the last 2 weeks, and I've been following AI for now over a year. What you've given me in the last 2 weeks compared is just off the Richter.
You know, soon as I became at 3% for the first time in my life, person that I heard you one time, you said you got it. I was waiting by my emails and joined, you know, for the annual. So that's what it was. It was your demeanor. I like it laid back.
Well, I have to concur with both of them. I stumbled upon you, and as Dr. T says, I really, really did like the way you talk, the way you say things. You know your shit. You know about it. You know, you don't have to push it. And I've been doing a lot of research to a lot of people, and I know you know exactly what you're talking about. And I said, that's what I want. You know, that's really, I'm more than happy the way it is.
Dr. AI helped me with business. Yeah, working with John, super professional, very organized, got a lot done in a short amount of time. Definitely recommend Dr. AI helping you with your tech skills.
He over delivers. We were set for 1 hour, then it turned to 2 hours. Then we took a break, and then we came back to it for another 2 hours. So if you're thinking about it, and the one-on-one is worth the $300.
I appreciate that, Dalton. Thank you so much. So click the link below and join our amazing AI family. I look forward to seeing you inside.